Hello YouTube viewers, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you, or right now I'm going to show you how to download PSX ROMs on your iPod Touch or iPhone, whatever you have. Really easy, easier than like to convert like the ECM or anything that's at the end of the extension of the .bin or .img that you have problems with. Well, this website will help you. Like, it will only be like, the only extension will be like bin or img, and you won't have to convert it or mess with it or anything. So it'll be like really easy and simple. What you want to do is download this one application from Installers, or if you want to buy it, go to the App Store. It's called Downloads. It's a good application. I like it. It helps me when I'm downloading like movies, videos, and everything like that. I've shown you before. Right here, you can get right here on Installers. It's right here. I'll open it in a little bit. First, you need to go to Cydia to download an iFile and the PSX and PSX BIOS. It's really good. I like it. The quality is good. The sound is good. Except the lagging. Sometimes it's like a pain sometimes. But after you get used to it, you start. I like it a lot now. I'm used to the lagging. It's better than like buying the games instead. Like PS1 might not be as expensive like as PS2 or PS3, but still, if it's free, why not get it? My internet's a little slow, even though I have like 3 bars up there. Yeah, so let me try EAZY real quick. Oh, come on. Okay, Cydia again. Let me try it. And it's still taking a little long. Wonder why Cydia takes long. Wonder why. There we go. Cancel. What you want to do is go to search, and you want to search PSX, and you want to search that, and that's all you want to put in there, because you need to install 2 things. No, actually 3 things. You're gonna want to install PSX for all on the repo of EAZY. I'll show you the repo right now. And PSX BIOS, which helps it which helps the image on the thing on the program, and iFile. Right here, as you can see, the EAZY on iGames. So it's an emulator, and PSX BIOS right there. And you want to get iFile, I-F-I-L-E-S, no S. Okay, I might exit right now, I might not, but I'm going to have to show you the source right now. It's repo.EAZY / If that doesn't work, then put .com and then /. Well, let me search. Oh, there it is. You have to pay for it, but for me, I got it from EAZY also, and it works perfect as if it was paid. So I recommend. Let me show you the source. Okay, it's repo.EAZY.com /. Okay, so that's mostly it for Cydia. You can close that now. Now, what you want to do is open Downloads now, and visit this website called romahustler.net, This website is really good. It's better than the other one. The one that when you open PSX, that website. And what you want to do is zoom in, or you could just click on PlayStation for the PSX. Let it load. Okay. Once that's done, scroll down, look for your ROM. Mine is under W. No, so I'm gonna scroll all the way down. Find mine. There it is. WWF SmackDown. Like wrestling games. Open it. Click here to download this ROM. And then you're gonna have to wait a few seconds. Not like 30. You're gonna have to wait like 10 seconds maybe. No, 7 seconds. That's a good limit. Okay. Now, where it says click here, hold here, and once this pops up, press copy. If you click download, it won't download. It just download like a web browser. Another one. Oh, that doesn't really help. When I click the plus, an address, you're gonna type it, paste, and then done. And once that is downloading, it'll be like this one. Press the X, and we don't need that no more. Well, I already have it downloaded right there. And it's gonna be right here in a little folder. It's zipped. You have to extract it. You can extract it here, but I don't recommend it. So you're gonna want to go to iFile, and once it's right here, click home, the home button, where it's at mobile. But if that doesn't work, it's all the way from / click bar and look for mobile. And it's right there with the home thing. You're gonna want to go to applications, but first I'm gonna show you where the PSX ROM is located. Media, all the way down, ROMs, and PSX. And here is where you put your ROMs, where you download it from the downloads application. So go back to mobile applications, and these are all the apps that you downloaded from installers, apps in the App Store, anywhere else. You're gonna want to look for the downloads app, so you can get your ROMs. Mine is right here, and here's the downloads documents. And see how it's in that little zip file? Well, you're gonna click it, and zip viewer. And I didn't feel like downloading it again, so right now it might say error. I hope it doesn't work fast, so I'm gonna make you guys wait about this. Sorry, fast forward if it takes long. Okay, it's taking a little long, but when it pops up, don't hit done yet. Hit the little box on the bottom right, and that's gonna be extract all. And once it's there, you extract it. It'll take a little time too. You're gonna need to be patient. So once that's done, let me exit real quick. It's not gonna stop doing that. File again. Okay. And as you see, and once you extract it, it's gonna look like this in a little folder. And you're gonna want to open it, and you see it's only one. Maybe it might have 3 or less. And it's gonna have to be a bin file, and either a bin or an IMG and an image, I guess. Then once you do that, you're gonna want to put edit. Then you're gonna want to check it. Hit the clipboard on the bottom right here, and then you're going to copy the ROM from the downloads app. Go all the way back, well, hit home, and you're going to want to go to media, ROMs, PSX, and right here is where you're going to want to paste it. Again, edit, and right here and paste, and it's right here, the WWF SmackDown .bin, and most, as you can see, my other ones are .bin, .image. I only have one .image so far, and the rest is .bin. That's mostly it. I'll just show you how it works now. Thanks for watching. Right now it might lose sound. I don't know why. It has on my other videos. Oops. Okay, these are all the ROMs. Okay, my Twisted Metal, my Gran Turismo, my WCW Nitro, and the WWE SmackDown is right there. Okay, so I might lose sound.